Most boat owners will never see what is hidden inside their hull. Some of it keeps them alive. Some of it is why boats fail years before they should. We are counting down 10 features sealed beneath the fiberglass of a $50,000 hull, from safety systems to design shortcuts that builders hope you never question. Number 10 is something most owners do not even know is there. In the 10th place, hidden inside nearly every $50,000 boat hull is structural foam filling. It is not just empty space between those glossy fiberglass layers. Manufacturers pump in closed-cell PVC or SAN foam, sometimes in blocks, sometimes as a continuous core. Most owners never see it, but this foam quietly boosts stiffness and can add enough reserve buoyancy to keep the hull afloat even if it is swamped. Top brands use PVC foam with less than 1.5% water uptake, with densities ranging from 45 to 250 kilograms per cubic meter. The material cost? Just a few $1,000s, almost an afterthought in a $50,000 build. But here is the catch. Foam is easy to hide. And when builders cut corners, using lower density cores or skipping edge sealing, the result can be silent water intrusion or creeping flex that only shows up years later. Sometimes it is a genuine safety asset. Other times it is a shortcut masked by a flawless gel coat. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Number 9. Stringer systems form the hidden backbone inside every $50,000 boat hull. These are long, rib-like spines, sometimes solid fiberglass, sometimes foam cord, sometimes just wood, running the length of the hull beneath your feet. You'll never see them on the sales floor, but they are working overtime, carrying the weight of your engine, your gear, and every pounding wave. Properly built stringers, fully encapsulated in glass, can boost hull stiffness by up to 25%. But here is where things get risky. Shortcuts in encapsulation let water sneak in, turning a strong wooden stringer into a rotting, creaking liability. Surveyors tell stories of tapping a hull and hearing the hollow thud of rot where a solid thump should be. One missed corner, one dry spot, and the whole load path can unravel. It is the first major pathway to hidden failure, one that is easy to miss until the hull starts flexing or creaking at speed. But what is just beneath the skin of that glossy hull? The next layer might be even more revealing. 8th place, fiberglass reinforcement layers are the invisible armor just beneath the boat's glossy skin. Builders have two ways to lay down this crucial shell: hand-laying woven glass mats or spraying chopped glass with a chopper gun. Hand-lay takes more time and skilled labor, but delivers a tighter, stronger weave. Chopper gun spray cuts labor by up to 30%, but the resulting laminate needs 15 to 20% more thickness just to match the strength. Most buyers never know which method is used. The choice shapes everything. A hand-laid hull resists flex and cracking. A rushed chopper gun job can leave micro voids that let water creep in. Fiber orientation and thickness are hidden from view, yet they decide if your hull shrugs off years of pounding or quietly starts to fail. But what is even more critical is how water finds its way through those hidden layers, and how that infiltration turns a minor defect into a major problem. Number 7. Drainage channels and bilge design are the secret arteries running through every $50,000 boat hull. These hidden paths decide if your boat stays bone dry or quietly rots from the inside. Water always finds its way in. Through a leaky hatch, a loose fitting, or just hard rain. That is why builders carve out drainage runs, sloped just enough, usually 1 inch of drop for every 4 to 6 inches of length, to shuttle water straight to the bilge pump. But here is what most owners never see. If those channels are too flat or get clogged, water pools in dead zones, soaking the core and stringers. Surveyors report that 12% of hull failures in this price range start with trapped moisture, not a dramatic leak. Even a standard 20-foot hull relies on a pump that can clear around 5 gallons per minute, but a blocked drain can turn a small puddle into thousands of dollars in repairs. The real danger hides in those forgotten corners, where a little water can eat your hull from the inside out. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Number 6. Hidden wiring runs and plumbing snake through every $50,000 boat hull, tucked behind liners and sealed bulkheads. You will not spot them on a factory tour, out of sight and out of mind, but these bundled cables and pipes are the boat's nervous system. Here is the catch. If a power wire and a fuel line run too close, even by an inch, you are flirting with disaster. The American Boat and Yacht Council says 2 inches of separation is the bare minimum, any less, and a stray spark or slow corrosion can trigger a fire or a fuel leak. Yet in the rush to cut costs, builders often squeeze both systems into the same cramped channel. Owners rarely discover this shortcut until something fails, a burned wire, a mystery leak, or a sudden loss of power. Repairs are tricky too, access panels are scarce, and tracing a hidden harness means hours of labor. Before you sign for that new boat, ask for the wiring diagram and check those chaseways. If you are enjoying the video so far and want more boating insights and hidden industry secrets, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Number 5. Buried fuel tanks are the silent wild cards inside a $50,000 boat hull. Most owners never realize their tank is molded right into the hull, sealed behind layers of plastic or aluminum and surrounded by foam. On the surface, this setup saves space and keeps the ride smooth. But here is the hidden risk. When a tank starts leaking, there is no easy fix. Fuel can seep into invisible cavities, pooling under the deck or soaking the stringers, while the only clue might be a faint smell in the bilge. Finding the leak is a nightmare. Labor to cut out an in-hull tank often runs over 10 hours, and repair bills can shoot past $4,000. Worse, a blocked vent line or a failed foam bond can turn a small leak into a fire hazard or a catastrophic hull failure. That new boat smell sometimes masks a real danger lurking where you cannot see or touch. If you are enjoying the video so far and want more boating insights and hidden industry secrets, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Number 4. Hull reinforcement beams and engine mounts are the silent sentinels buried deep inside the hull of a $50,000 boat. Every time you throttle up, these hidden beams absorb the twisting force of the engine and the pounding of waves. What most owners never see are the thick fiberglass or composite beams, sometimes with steel or composite inserts, bonded directly to the hull at high stress points, especially beneath the engine. If a builder skips proper bonding or uses mechanical fasteners without reinforced backing, the consequences can be brutal. Stress cracks can radiate from the engine mount, or in extreme cases, the transom can fail. Some owners first notice trouble as a creak that syncs perfectly with engine RPM, a telltale sign of a failing bond. Repairs aren't cheap. Transom or beam failure can run well into the thousands of dollars, and in some cases, the boat is never the same. These hidden reinforcements aren't just about performance. They are the last line of defense against flex, fatigue, and sudden disaster. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Coming to the top 3, sound dampening and vibration materials are the undercover agents of comfort inside a $50,000 boat hull. Tucked between the fiberglass layers or hidden behind cabin panels, these foams and mats work quietly, literally, to soften the pounding of waves and hush the constant drone of the engine. The numbers don't lie. A well-placed damping layer can cut cabin noise by 3 to 6 decibels, turning a harsh, echoing ride into something that feels almost luxurious. But there is a hidden catch. These materials do more than just block out the outside world. They can also muffle the early warning signs of trouble. Cracks, flexing, or even the first hints of delamination become harder to hear, allowing problems to grow undetected until they demand expensive repairs. The illusion of silence can mask real structural issues, making it easy for owners to miss what is happening beneath their feet. If you're enjoying the video so far and want more boating insights and hidden industry secrets, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. But what builders hide next might be even more surprising. Number 2. Structural bonding adhesives and lamination quality are the chemical glue holding every $50,000 boat hull together. Hidden beneath the fiberglass skin, these resins decide if a hull stays solid for years or quietly starts to come apart. Most production boats rely on polyester resin. It is cheap, cures fast, but it is brittle and lets water sneak through over time. Vinyl ester steps it up with better water resistance, while epoxy is the gold standard, offering the strongest, most waterproof bond but at a much higher cost. The difference is not just academic. The Polish Register of Shipping mandates waterproof adhesives with a minimum shear strength over 1 megapascal, and vacuum bagging logs are the only proof a builder got the resin to fully wet out every layer. Skip the vacuum or cut corners on resin, and you get micro voids, tiny air pockets that become cracks, then full-blown delamination. Most hull warranty claims trace back to poor bonding, not visible damage. The real danger is that a hull can look flawless outside while its core is slowly coming unglued. If you are enjoying the video so far and want more boating insights and hidden industry secrets, consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. But what builders hide in the final reveal might be even more surprising. And finally, in first place, design compromises for cost or weight are the invisible force shaping every hidden corner of a $50,000 boat hull. Beneath the glossy finish, nearly every shortcut, every thin stringer, every undersealed core traces back to a simple number. The average profit margin in boat building hovers around 4%. That razor-thin cushion drives relentless pressure to shave off ounces, hours, and dollars wherever possible. When a builder swaps hand-laid glass for a chopper gun spray, or specs a lower density foam, it is not just about speed, it is about survival in a cutthroat market. Post-pandemic labor turnover makes things worse. As skilled workers leave, quality control slips and small mistakes, like missed edge seals, uneven resin, and rushed wiring, become silent time bombs. The result? Some boats start to flex, creak, or even fail years before their time, while warranty claims quietly pile up in the background. It is the hidden economics, not just hidden parts, that decide if your boat will last. So before you trust your safety to a hull you cannot see inside, ask what corners were cut to hit that price tag. The real secret is not a single feature. It is the business decisions buried deep in the laminate. Which hidden feature surprised you the most? Across all 10 secrets, one pattern stands out. What is buried inside the hull decides how a boat ages, performs, and even survives. The real story is not on the surface. It is hidden in plain sight. Which hidden feature surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts below.